Hello everybody, this is Ahmed comes to you from Accent Institute, and our session today talks about speak with confidence. But before to start talking about our session today, I'd like to emphasize something: preparation, the importance of preparation. So in order to speak well, in order to have idea about the topic that you want to talk about, you have to, or you should, prepare well, because preparation gives you the opportunity to produce new English and new input, and the teacher job is giving you feedback. من ضمن الحاجات يا جماعة اللي هتخلينا نتكلم كويس، تمام، قبل ما نبدأ في الموضوع بتاعنا اللي هو ازاي يكون عندك ثقة وانت بتتكلم، التحضير او الاعداد الجيد. عشان اقدر اتكلم عن اي موضوع بالانجلش لازم يكون عندي ideas، لازم يكون عندي معرفة باللي انا هتكلم عنه. عشان كده التحضير والاعداد مهم جدا، تمام. So our topic today talks about speak with confidence. So what are the obstacles that we face as learners of English when we speak? Maybe you are shy, maybe you are afraid of talking because you are making mistakes. Maybe. زي ما قلنا يا جماعة، من ضمن العوائق اللي بتقابلنا واحنا بنتعلم انجلش، maybe انت راجل بتتكسف او بتتكسفي لما بتتكلمي انجلش، maybe لان انت خايفة او انت خايف تعمل اخطاء سواء في النطق او الجرامر او anything. So, what's the problem if you make a mistake? But make a mistake or make mistakes, but learn from them. اتعلم من أخطائك، تمام؟ مش بس أنا هعمل خطأ، لا، أنا هتعلم من خطأي، هعمل خطأ وهتعلم منه. Okay? I know it's something difficult, but you can fake it. The second point that you have for you is you are shy. انت رجل بتخجل. Okay, so first of all, what does shy mean? Shy means maybe you are nervous, or you are nervous. You don't like to speak to other people or strangers, so you now truly shy. Okay, so we have 2 points right now. The first one is why are you shy, and the second point or the second question is how to overcome your shyness. طيب, why are you shy? Probably speaking a new language and you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you don't like to speak to other people or strangers. So maybe انت لسه انا شاي لان انا بتعلم لغه جديده وخايف اعمل اي اخطاء، تمام. maybe انا ما بحبش اتكلم كتير او ما بحبش اتكلم مع اي حد، ما بحبش اتكلم مع الناس. طيب, right now how to fix this point, how to overcome your shyness. Number one, say anything. So if you worry about what you say anything. Say hi, say what is your name? So my name is Ahmed and I like reading books and so on. Okay, this is number one. Number two, choose a topic that you like in order to talk about. So if I meet someone for the first time, maybe I like talking about movies, I like talking about historical books and so on. طيب, number three, get a job. So if you work at a restaurant and everyone comes to the restaurant, so you have to talk to her or to him. Number four, travel alone. And do not say how scary, how can I travel alone? Okay, so when you travel alone, so when you go out the hotel, when you take the bus, and when you go out for any trip, okay, so you should or you have to talk to other people in order to deal in many situations and so on. طيب. Number five, eye contact. It's important to make eye contact because if isn't, maybe people get offended and they will not care about you, they will not care about what you say. So do not look at something when you talk to someone like that. Let me say, do not use an angry tone of voice. Do not talk really fast, or what we call in English mumble. Let me say that you talk really fast, or that you talk in a way that is not clear. Okay? So that's all I have for you for this video, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching me, and I'll be happy, and I hope to see you all on Facebook, Ahmed B. Muhammad, and our channel on YouTube, Accent for English. Goodbye.